Hello students, hope you all are good. So let's start our chapter Introduction to Computers. Okay. So in this chapter we had covered already some topics which are history of computers, classification of computer, functional component of a computer. Okay. These topics we had already covered by the help of our previous videos. Okay. Now one more topic is left in this chapter which is computer software. Okay. Today we will know about this topic. Okay, so let's start. What is computer software? Means what a software is a set of program which is designed to perform a well defined functions, or software is a set of instruction, data or program used to operate computer and execute specific task. Okay, means software is a group of programs or the data or the instructions to perform any specific task or to operate all your computer system. Okay, so there are two types of software. One is system software and another one is application software. Let's talk about the system and application software. Okay, so system software, the system software is a collection of program designed to operate, control and extend the processing capabilities of the computer. Okay, means system software are designed to operate, to control, to extend the processing of the computer system. Means it controls all the processing of your computer system, and system software are generally prepared by computer manufacturer. Okay, means who prepared the computer software? It is pre-written programs who are prepared by the manufacturing, means the company who made the computers. Okay, some example of system software are operating system, compiler, interpreter, assembler, etc. These are the example of system software. Okay, let's talk about these examples first. Okay, so what is operating system? Operating system control all the operations of the computer. Okay, it is the main part of the computer system which control all the operation in the computer. Okay, then comes to the compiler. Okay, what is the job of the compiler? It translates the high level language program into machine level language. Okay, means the compiler is a translating program who translate a program which is written in high level level language into a machine language. Okay, then comes to the interpreter. It translates the high level language program into machine language. But what is the difference between interpreter and compiler? Interpreter translate the program one by one, means one line at a one time. Okay, but compiler translate the whole program at one time. This is the difference between them. Okay, both are the translating program, but the translating process is different in compiler and interpreter. Okay, next come to the assembler. Okay, what is the job of assembler? It translate high level language programs into the assembly language. Okay, then comes to the application software. Okay, application software are the software that is designed for the uh, end user means we, the users who are working on the computers. Okay, these are generally designed for us. Okay, these software are designed to satisfy the need of a particular environment. Okay, means according to our need we use the application software. Means the user according to according to their need choose the application software. Okay, like if you want to draw something, then you can choose MS Paint. If you want to listen music, you can choose the music file. If you want to search something, you will choose the browser. Okay, example of application software are database software, word processing software, spreadsheet, web browser. These are the common example of application software. Okay, so now all the topics of this chapter are finished. Okay, now comes to the exercise of this chapter. Okay, so first one is the answer the following questions. Okay, first question is what is computer? As you all know, and I written the answer here, you can, I'm reading the answer also. Okay, a computer is an electronic machine that accepts data as input, process the data using programs, and output the processed data as information. Okay, what is the meaning of this? A computer is simply an electronic machine that accepts data, means as input, who take input, then process the data and then give output to the users. Okay, then the next question is describe secondary memory with suitable examples. Okay, so in our previous video we had already discussed this topic, so let's go to the answer of this question. Secondary memory is also known as external memory of the computer system. Okay, secondary memory stores the data for permanent basis in the computer. Okay, so secondary memory store your data in the computer for permanent basis. Anytime you can use that saved data anywhere. Okay, so example of secondary memory are hard disk, pen drive, dvd drive, etc. These are the secondary memory examples. Okay, next question is describe the functions of the components of central processing units. Okay, in this you have to describe the functionality of the components of cpu. Okay, cpu is called the brain of the computer system. Okay, because it do all the processing work. cpu perform all type of data processing operations. It controls the operation of all the parts of the computer. Okay, cpu has following components. cpu has three components further, which are alu, cu and mu. We will talk about these component. Okay, first one is alu. This unit performs all the arithmetic and logical operations in the computer system. Arithmetic and logical operation means addition, multiplication, subtraction. These operations are performed by the alu. Okay, then comes the control unit. This unit controls the operation of all parts of the computer. Okay, then comes to the memory unit. This unit stores the data for permanent or temporary basis in the computer system. Okay, next question is describe ram and rom. So the answer is, firstly we will describe the ram. Ram stands for random access memory. Okay, it is the internal memory of the cpu for storing data. Okay, it is the internal memory of cpu, means it is the memory of cpu, central processing unit, for storing the data. It is read write memory which store data until the machine is working. Read write memory means you can read the data which is saved in it, and you can also edit the data which is saved in it. Okay, and it stores the data until the machine is on. Okay, until you are working, that time this memory will save your data. ram generally stores currently working data, means in which you are currently working, that data will be saved in ram. Then comes to the rom. Rom stand for read only memory. As the name, read only, you can't write it. Okay, you only can read it but you can't edit it. Okay, this is the meaning of read only. So it is the memory from which we can only read the data but cannot write on it. The information is stored permanently in such memories during manufacturing. Okay, so this information is stored in the data in the rom is permanently stored by the at the time from the manufacturer, means when the computer is made by the help of manufacturers, that time that memory is already pre-written. Okay, then comes to the next question, write about the classification of computers. So we already discussed this topic. So on the basis of the size and speed, computer are generally classified in the following four types: microcomputers, mini computers, mainframe computers and supercomputers. We already know about these computers. Then next question is, what is primary memory of computer? Explain. Okay, primary memory or the main memory, primary memory also called the main memory of the computer. Okay, primary memory holds only those data and instruction on which computer is working currently. Okay, it has limited capacity and data is lost when power is switched off. Okay, so as I told you that the example of primary memory is ram and rom. Okay, the next one is, what is software? Define its type. Okay, answer of this question is, software is a set of program which is designed to perform a well defined function. There are two types of software: system software, application software. We already discussed about that, you only read the answer of it. Okay, now come to the next question, draw a computer and its part. You have to draw a computer and its parts also. Okay, now comes to the fill in the blanks. Okay, first one is the term micr stands for dash in character reader. MICR means magnetic. The answer will be the magnetic ink character either. Okay, next one is the dash performs arithmetic operation in computers. So who perform arithmetic operation? ALU, arithmetic logical unit. A group of 1024 bytes is called a 1 kilobyte. Answer will be 1 kilobyte. Dash unit help us to get the information from the computer. Okay, so what which unit help us to get the information from the computer? Output unit. The answer of this question will be output. Okay, please note down it. Next, fill in the blanks is dash computer are mainly used in home offices of shops etc. Microcomputers. Answer of this question. Next one is dash performs all type of data processing operation. Who performs? CPU. Okay. Then mark true and false statement. Okay. The first one is microcomputers are designed to handle large volume of data. No, because microcomputers are designed to perform very less volume of data. So this statement is false. Word processing software is an example of application software. Yes, word processing software is the example of application software. This is the true statement. Next one is operating system is an example of application software. No, this statement is false because OS is an example of system software. Okay. Next one is Windows is a popular word processing software. No, Windows is not a word processing software. It's a operating system, so it is the system software. Next one is MICR used to read special character printed on bank checks. Yes, this is the true statement. Okay. Now some one more question is there. Classify the following as an input, output, or a storage device. So some devices name are there. You have to classify them, that input, output, and storage devices. Daisy wheel. First one, daisy wheel is a printer. Okay. Then monitor. Then barcode reader, then compact disc, then MICR, magnetic ink character reader, scanner, hard disk, printer, and flash drive. So you have to give the answer of this question, that what is input device, what is output device, and what is the storage device, because I already told you about these devices. Okay, so thank you for watching this, and please make the notes of these exercise in your rough copy. Okay, make a rough copy and make the notes of these question answer and these fill in the blanks in that copy. Okay, thank you.